What's good with y'all niggas? We back with another video. Let's get straight into it. The laws of power. What does it say? Law number 39. Right, 39. Uh, it says control your enemy's emotions. You know what I'm saying? Control your enemy's emotions. So what does it say? It says finding what your enemy is angry. What makes your enemies angry is completely beneficial. Because let me. So why do we see this? You gotta understand that anger is one of those emotions that like really. I mean, all emotions cloud your judgment and all that, but anger really makes you deep dig a deep hole for yourself. Like like people that like this is why for war journals it's very important for them to have low anger issues because if they have anger issues, they'll demand stupid shit. They'll demand illogical, irrational decisions. They'll make irrational decisions. They'll put themselves in deep shit. Right, right. You see what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. What does the book say? It says, what find what make your enemy angry is completely beneficial, right? And it continues says it not only makes them react illogically and emotionally, but it also shows how hopeless they are, right? You also gotta understand that if you can't control your emotions, that means you're weak. You are you're moving through the emotions. You know what I'm saying? You you are living on the physical, not on the psychological, the spiritual, right? Right? That's why it says in the book says anger does not mean you're strong and fearful. No, it says it shows how little control you have over the situation, which shows your weakness. Let me take that again because people be thinking, oh, if I shout at someone, if I teach a shots at a student, they're afraid. Nah, nigga, the student you shouted at will be like, bro, what the fuck? Like, who you think he is? Exactly like that. Exactly. That's why let me say this again. It says anger does not mean you are strong and fearful. It shows that you have little to no control of the situation, which in turn shows weakness on your part. You know what I'm saying? So like yeah, I understand. That's why it's very important to have emotional intelligence. You need to know how to control your emotions. If you have anger issues, my boy, get an anger issue. Get to anger management. Find an outlet. Like like so that's why people who are angry they sometimes punch walls. That way they exert all the anger, all the emotions on something that's middle school to them. A wall. You see. So what does it continue to say? It says it's even better when you can influence people's emotions, but you can control your own also. However, it's important to observe the situation first before you make them angry. Yeah. Uh, this saying that if you play a fire, don't cry if you get burnt. Emotions are real complicated and delicate subject for the humans because this is what makes the human different from the rest. Find the blueprint. Once you find the blueprint, you have control with the human. Where you get the blueprint from? Childhood, right? If people like who have anger issues, you shouldn't be trying this on them because they will do some fucked up shit. They only might not endanger themselves, but can also endanger you. This is why it's important. That's why it's important. Like in the hood, if you see no gangster has a gun, you don't try and steal his girl because that guy will shoot your ass in the moment. He can shoot your ass. Like you see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? So yeah, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We got 10 more, 9 videos left, I guess. Yeah, I'll back at your boy. Shit.